Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Stack Adda. Today we will learn how to add Lombok to STS4. First of all, we need to download Lombok from their website. Just type Lombok in Google and we can see Lombok website here and click on download. Now we need to click on this download link. If I click on it, now I can see Lombok jar downloaded. If we go to the downloads folder, here we can see Lombok jar. Now copy this Lombok jar and go to your STS location and paste here. Now we need to run this Lombok jar. Open command prompt here and type java -jar lombok.jar and press enter. It will get execute and will be, we can see we got another pop-up and it is automatically detected our STS location. Now click on install or update. We can see install successful. Lombok has been installed on the selected ID installations. So this is one way, and another way also we can open this Spring Tool Suite 4.ini folder and there will be -vmox. So here we can also manually add this Lombok location. Now let me launch STS. We can check whether Lombok is added or not. STS is open. To check whether Lombok is added or not, we need to click on help and click on about Spring Tool Suite 4, and here if we scroll down to the bottom, here we can see Lombok and version is installed. So it is clear. So Lombok is successfully added to the STS4. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you.